restore Windows power options, only balanced power plan available on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to restore Windows power options, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your command prompt at first, go with Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. And here it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter a command, which is power cfg space /A, and then hit the enter. And you'll get this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to check the modern standby mode. If you find that the modern standby mode SO is enabled on your PC, then first you have to disable the modern standby mode SO. Then you can restore the missing power plans. To disable the modern standby mode, you need to open the command prompt as an administrator again. Go with command prompt, go with Run as Administrator, and execute the following command, which is right here. So you just need to simply pause the video and you need to enter this command. Once you enter the command, you need to hit the enter. This command will create a value, and after that, you can restart your device and your problem might be fixed. But if the command doesn't create a value, you can create that manually. So to create the value, what you need to do is you just need to simply open up the registry editor. Go with registry editor, click on yes, and here you need to go with the upper side and you need to enter computer /HK local machine /system /control set control and then /power. Hit the enter and it will take you to this kind of interface. Here you need to right click on it, go with new, and then go with D word or Q word, and you need to rename it as platform AOAC override and hit the enter. And after that, you can restore your power plan and you need to restart your device and your problem will be fixed. And after that, what you need to do is just go with the control panel. Under your control panel, you need to open up your power options. Now here you will see all the restored power plans there. If not, you can expand the show additional plans section, which will be right here. You just need to simply click on it and it will show you additional plans. That's how you can restore your Windows power options from only balanced power plan available to others. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.